This trip is a really special one for me. Japan has always been a dream, and this is my first ever solo international trip. It's October 21, 2025. I flew out of from Manila with the longest layover in Cebu. I basically slept through the whole flight, even though I tried not to, and after 5 hours, I finally made it to the land of the rising sun, Japan.
Should've known it from the start. And it's cool if you wanna talk to you. Talk.
I just landed in mali yung nasakyan kong train. So, naliligaw ako.
Hey, feels like I'm insane. I'm afraid to change. The pictures that I framed remind me when the skies are blue. Chapter 32. It's all just me and you, but the ceiling's falling through and all the screws are coming loose. Don't know what to do, don't know what to do. I got everything to lose. Don't know what to do, don't know what to do. Cause I've been chasing feelings but I'm running from them too. I feel like crying, I feel like screaming, I feel like throwing up for no reason. I think
We are here in Japan. This is my first stop.
it's not just inevitable. Wake up and I'm already old. I'm doing my best.
Hey guys! Good morning! So, today we are here in Japan! Oh my god, nandito tayo sa Japan, guys. It's my first ever solo trip na international pa. Yeah, I'm so happy to be here and I'm so happy na yung weather is so good. Like, it's the kind of weather that I love the most. Like, parang Baguio, ganon. So, hindi mainit. Like, sobrang sarap maglakad. I could walk for hours sa gantong weather. Yeah, so today is October 22. It's my day 2. Kahapon ako dumating and nakapag-explore na ako. So, ka-check-in ko kaagad sa hotel kahit wala pa akong masyadong tulog is nag-explore na ako. So, ang first kong pinuntahan is Shinjuku. As my first day, like, nakakalito talaga yung mga trains. It's easy to navigate naman as long as you have Google Maps. But last night, nalobat ako. Tapos, bumili pa ako ng power bank. Tapos, nalobat din siya. Hindi man lang niya na, hanggang 10% lang niya na-charge yung phone ko. And, option ko na lang is to take a taxi. So, nag-taxi ako dito for, I think, 1,500 pesos. Which, I think is okay na considering like you're in another country and medyo malayo yung na-stopan ko ng train. So, basta ang dami kong train na maling nasakyan. Super epic fail as in ng first day ko, but that's what makes it memorable. Yeah, and today, it's kind of a chill day lang naman, more on walking. I want to explore Shibuya, and then in the afternoon, I have a ticket for Shibuya Sky. So I am so excited for that. Yeah, let's go, guys! Oh my god, I'm so happy to document this one. It's a very special trip for me because it's my first solo international trip. So May problema lang ako, guys. Wala akong nadalang suklay, tapos dapat kahapon is bibili ako, pero nakalimutan ko din. We are here at the Meiji Jingu Shrine. Just gonna walk. Bawal pala ang food. Nagdala pa naman ako ng breakfast. Go, go. Super duper cold. For me, for me.
So far, so we should stay a while. Just take it slow. Focus on you and I. So much to do, so much to say. Just let it wait, or we can take our time. Feel the desire, baby. Don't wanna let this go. It's so uncommon, trust me. Our love is beautiful. We could be invincible. Our love is unstoppable. It's time I put my heart on the line. Give me some time, show me the world, and tell me all your secrets. Confide in me, and it will be that you know I can keep on stepping to my eyes. Tell me you stay there for a while and shine your light. Shine your light on me. I'm feeling great, let's celebrate the moment when we have it. I'll make a toast to flip our love, and we know that it's magic.
After ilang ligaw, nakadating din ako sa Shibuya Sky. I pre-booked my ticket here, and unfortunately, yung day na pumunta ako, di open yung outdoor area since umuulan. But you have the option to cancel for free, kasi di ko na makancel kasi may iba akong lakad tomorrow. I had the best time pa rin naman, but I think it's best talaga if makikita yung outdoor, and I was really looking forward for the escalator part pa naman.
Give me some time, show me the world, and tell me all your secrets. Confide in me, you will see that you know I can keep on stepping to my
Shibuya sky. And it's raining again. And oh my god. Ang lamig. It's 12 degrees here in Shibuya. So I'm walking para mag-lunch. I got the souvenir photo from Shibuya sky, of course. One thing na super excited talaga akong puntahan is itong Rococo Cafe. It's a cafe where you can listen to vinyls while drinking coffee. Super saya guys, and if you have time and if you're looking for a unique cafe in Shibuya, I highly suggest this one. You just need to pay for the table plus one coffee or one drink. I had the best time here and it's one of the highlights of my whole trip. I swear. So I listened to First Love, which is like one of my top favorite Japanese song, and meron din sila yung new album ni Taylor, which is The Life of a Showgirl and other stuff. So merong time limit dito. I think, if I can remember, I think nasa 2 hours yung limit. Hey guys, I'm home. Super pagod. Look! 22,000. 22k ulit! Nakasakay na ako pa uwi. Confident ako na parang sabi ko, ay, parang isang mabilis lang to. Like same nung papunta ako. So, hindi ako maliligaw. Tapos sabi ko parang, medyo nagiging okay na ako sa sa mga station. Oh my God. Tapos, sinusundan ko kasi yung Google Maps. So, like, makikita mo dun yung stop, ganyan. Kung titigil ka na ba, sasabihin niya sa'yo na baba ka na doon sa station na yun. So, I'm not sure minsan, hindi tama yung pagka-track niya. So, parang, nakita ko na yung station na dapat bababaan ko. Kaso siya, sinasabi niya na, stay on board pa daw. So, sinundan ko si Google Maps. So, pero sabi ko sa isip ko, oh my God, that's my stop. So, hindi ako tumigil. Tapos, sabi ko, okay, babalik lang ako. Mabilis lang yun. So, ayun, bumalik nga ako. Well, apparently, hindi pala ganun. That's not how it works pala. Akala ko, like, to take mo lang yung train, tapos babalik ka dun sa same na dinaanan mo kanina. So, ibang station pala siya. So, nag-ano ako dun, like, I was so confident kasi narinig ko na babalikan yung station na nalampasan ko. Hindi pala. Ang layo pa ng nilakad ko kasi ibang station yung papunta dito sa hotel ko. Oh my God. So, naglakad na naman ako na napakalayo kaya na-achieve ko yung 22K steps na yun. Papunta dito sa hotel ko is merong donkey. Like, super laking donkey. Mega donkey. But, I got my dinner. Tapos, medyo malamig na. Like, 12 degrees kanina sa Shibuya. And, hindi kinakaya ng jacket ko. Tapos, naka-long sleeves na ako. Tapos, naka-skirt na mahaba. Ang lamig talaga, nanginginig ako. So, I got my dinner. So, may nakita ako kahapon na student, kumakain siya ng kamote. And I'm like, I need that. I want that. So, I bought one. Super bango. Tapos, sabi nga ng mga nagpo-post sa TikTok, like, super mura sa mga groceries ng food, yung mga ready-to-eat food. Kapag gabi na, so, dahil 8 p.m. na, like, look, from 300 is 180 yen na lang siya. So, I'll eat this. Magpapahinga lang ako, then shower and have my dinner, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys. Good morning. So it's my day 3. I'm here at Donkey kasi ang lamig. Super lamig. Naka-sweater lang ako. It's 13 degrees. I'll be on my way to Kamakura today. And guys, pinipigilan ko lang talagang mag-explore dito sa Donkey, pero pag talaga nagka-time ako, iikutin ko to. Nakapagsuklay na ako. Ito yung kanilang mga parang for winter. It's like The Grudge. Oh my God. Sikip ng dam dito. So talagang ma-feel yung pagka countryside ng Japan. Kaya gusto ko tong Kamakura. Ganda! Like, mga Studio Ghibli vibes. So, I'm on my way to Sunrise Shack. Parang medyo malayo pala siya sa station. And it's 18 minutes away from the station. I'm just not sure, baka mali lang yung binabaan ko. Look at this house. Ang ganda. Oh my God. Alam nyo ba, nung isang araw, like, nasaraduhan ako niyan, napunta na ako sa loob, yung may padating na train. My God. Makikita natin yung Enoden line here. Oh my God, guys. Ganda, shit. Oh my God, look. Sumakay ako niyan kanina. Papunta here. Grabe yung takot ko nung nasaraduan ako niyan. Lumabas ako. Tinulak ko siya. I'm taking pictures of all the nice cars I see here para sa boyfriend ko. I love JDM. So nice. Guys, nandito na ako sa beach. Ganda. So, dumaan ako doon sa Sunrise Shack. Hindi ko masyadong bet yung food nila. So, I'm gonna walk around and see kung ano yung masarap dito. I'm not sure what this place is, but I'm gonna stay here for a while I look for place na makainan. Ang lamig, ang ganda dito, guys. It's so nice. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Guys, you can see Mount Fuji here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I was not expecting that. Hindi ko expect na makikita ang Mount Fuji here. And I think this is the closest I could na makikita ko siya. Ang amazing! It's so amazing. I could cry. Look. I'm home. After 21,000 steps, I'm finally home. After 2 donkey, I'm home. Grabe, meron akong nung nasa Kamakura ako kanina, Studio Ghibli na store. So, bumili ako ng mga pasalubong doon. Actually, konti lang naman, mga worth 600 pesos. Tapos, naiwan ko somewhere. I'm not sure if dun sa toilet na nung last station na pinuntahan ko. Or iba. Kasi, binalikan ko siya, pero wala na. Sayang naman. Like, di ko pa na-open. Like, binili ko siya, tapos syempre naglalakad ako, guys. Hindi ko pa siya na-open, tapos may mga binili akong postcards. And, sayang. Bago ako mag-ayosan, totally magpahinga, mag-dinner muna ako. And, I'll show you my dinner from Donkey again. Guys, dapat talaga, like, di ko mapigilan yung sarili ko na hindi dumaan dun sa Donkey na dinadaanan ko pa uwi. So, I have this. Di pa gaanong super sale kasi medyo maaga pa. For parang first discount pa lang to. I have this skewers. It's cucumber kasi wala akong gulay lagi. And water. I don't have dessert but I have this again. I love this! So, ito na lang kinuha ko kasi naumay ako doon sa chicken na fried. It's good. Guys, diba, sinasabi, like, bawal kumain dito na naglalakad. Pero ang dami ko naman nakikitang Japanese na kumakain habang naglalakad. Like, iba tumatakbo pa pa train, ganun. I knew it. It's good. Crunchy. Hear that. I love Japanese cucumber. Yummy. Okay, maliit yung kanilang raincoat. Ang laro.